In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a British accent in ElevenLabs. If you're interested in adding that classic British charm to your text-to-voice projects, you're in the right place. And just as a reminder, if you haven't signed up yet, be sure to use our affiliate link. It's a great way to support the channel while diving into all the fantastic features ElevenLabs has to offer. Now, let's get started. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left panel of your screen and locate the Voices section. Clicking on this will take you to a realm of diverse vocal expressions, ready to be explored and utilized. In this section, you'll notice an Explore tab. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens, where you can customize and narrow down exactly what kind of voice you're looking for, which in our case today is British. Next up, you'll see a Filters button. Clicking on it will present you with a range of options to customize your search. Since we're focusing on capturing a British accent, select English as the language. This is crucial because it specifies the regional accent we're aiming for. Once you've selected English, simply click on Apply Filters. Instantly, this action will refine the list and show you all the available British voices that ElevenLabs has curated for you. Now, you'll see a list of these voices in front of you. Each voice comes with a unique personality and tone, so feel free to take a moment to listen to some samples if you're unsure which one suits your project best. Once you've identified the voice or voices that match your needs, adding them to your collection is simple. Next to each voice, there's a plus icon. Clicking on it will add the voice to your personal collection. This allows you to access it easily whenever you need, without having to search through the entire library again. After you've added your chosen voices, navigate over to the My Voices tab. Here, you'll see all the voices you've selected in one convenient location. This is your creative toolbox where every British voice you've chosen can be used with all of ElevenLabs' robust features. Whether you're crafting an audiobook, producing a commercial, or just experimenting for fun, these voices will enhance your projects with that quintessential British flair. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to add a British accent to your ElevenLabs experience. Remember, utilizing distinct